How to hide apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Suppose, let's say, if you want to hide Play Store from your home screen, first of all, launch settings. Scroll down. Go ahead and look for the option of privacy and launch it. Select privacy next to permissions. And under privacy protection, there are three options: app lock, hide apps, and private save. Simply tap Hide Apps and enter your privacy password, and only you'll be able to access this page where you will see all the application here. Now you need to search for Google Play Store. You can even use the search icon at top right, toggle the button on, and select Hidden. And here you will see that Google Play Store has been listed here. When you check on your home screen, there is no Play Store and it has successfully hidden on your Android. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.